Hey everyone, in this section let's look at price discrimination by a pure monopoly. Price discrimination is the act of selling the same product at different prices to different groups of buyers. This has nothing to do with cost differences. Examples are movie theaters that charges different prices based on the time and age of the buyer. Then we have airline tickets. They are charging higher prices to business travelers compared to non-business or leisure travelers. There are three conditions of success for price discrimination. Number one is monopoly power. That means the seller needs to have control over the quantity sold and price of the product. Number two is market segregation. The monopolist is dividing the market based on the price elasticity of demand of the buyer. If the demand for the buyer is price inelastic, the buyer will be charged a higher price compared to if the demand is elastic. Number three, there should be no resale. That means low price buyers cannot sell the product to high price buyers. So next we have some other examples of price discrimination. Now let's look at a graphical analysis of price discrimination. The first step, monopolist is dividing the market based on the elasticity of demand. In this example, we have small businesses and students. Small businesses, the demand is inelastic, and students, the demand is elastic. If the demand is inelastic, price will be high compared to if the demand is elastic, the price will be low in this case. Number two, the marginal cost will be equal to average cost, and this is a horizontal straight line. Number three, the monopolist is maximizing output at the point at which marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost for small businesses and students. So the output maximization condition does not change even when we are price discriminating. Number four, the monopolist maximizes profit by taking the difference between price and average total cost, multiply this by the total quantity, and over here I have P is minus average total cost times the quantity. The profit in this price discriminating situation will be greater than if the monopolist was charging the same price to all buyers. So definitely we have a higher profit, and the lure of higher profit is going to make the monopolist to price discriminate.